interesting enough, it is snowing like a bastard. And, well, it's fun to drive a Lamborghini. It is slick. I like it. Let me show you what we're working with. The roads are covered in ice, as you can tell. And there's snow on top of it. So, why not go on my lunch break and go play in the snow? That's what I'm gonna do.
This is a hot-finished beat. See how they do. Thank you. Right? Run the dunlop tires, new winter setup. Here, Dunkin' Donuts. This is a hot-finished beat.
One guy just blew me the finger. I'm about to make a proper U-turn in a Lamborghini.